Why did we start the Advocacy Club? It was to help the junior lawyers develop as young advocates.
Law school is great in that you learn how to read cases, you learn how to understand the law, and then you get out into the real world and you suddenly realize, hey, I haven't had a lot of practice actually being an advocate.
You come into Advocacy Club and it refines those skills that you already have and gives you the practical experience.
You actually get to practice and make mistakes when it doesn't matter.
Whether it's, doing a cross-examination,
interviewing techniques,
examining or cross-examining during a trial, how to do that effectively and how to get to your point.
We teach competence and we teach collegiality.
I was able then to go to my first trial and not have those nerves and not be that stressed because I had practiced so much in the Advocacy Club.
It's networking with local practitioners and local experts, and it's a way that you can have experiential learning right here.
I joined the club about a month into my articling term, and immediately my network began to expand.
It's hard to describe how kind of scary it can be to walk into the courthouse and know no one, and I don't have to face that. When I walk into the courthouse, I typically know people, and that's because of the club.